Nature's Masterpieces, Breathtaking Forests Worldwide. Part 2. Nature's Masterpieces, Breathtaking Forests Worldwide showcases some of the most awe-inspiring and ecologically vital forests across the globe. From the lush Amazon to the hauntingly beautiful Black Forest, each one tells a story of life, diversity, and natural wonder. This journey invites you to explore the Earth's green treasures like never before. 26. Deadflay Forest. Deadflay in Namibia is a surreal clay pan with fossilized camel thorn trees set against orange sand dunes. These ancient trees are long dead but remain standing due to the dry climate. 27. Windy Impenetrable Forest. Situated in Uganda, this dense rainforest is one of the last refuges of the endangered mountain gorilla. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's known for its biodiversity and challenging terrain. 28. Forest of Compiègne. Located in northern France, this historic forest was once a royal hunting ground. It also holds historical significance as the site where the World War I armistice was signed in 1918. 29. Bucaco Forest. Found in Portugal, Bucaco Forest is a unique blend of native and exotic tree species planted by Carmelite monks. It features scenic trails and historic sites, including a former royal palace. 30. Takeina Tarkine. Located in northwest Tasmania, the Takeina Tarkine is a vast wilderness of temperate rainforest, rivers, and Aboriginal heritage sites. It's one of the largest remaining tracts of untouched forest in Australia. 31. Pando Aspen Clone. Located in Utah, USA, Pando is a clonal colony of quaking aspen trees sharing a single root system. Weighing around 6,000 tons, it is considered one of the largest and oldest living organisms on Earth. 32. Changa Manga. Changa Manga in Pakistan is one of the largest man-made forests in the world. Initially developed in the 19th century for timber supply, it now supports wildlife and serves as a recreational area. 33. Redwood Forests. California's redwood forests are home to the tallest trees on Earth, coastal redwoods. These ancient giants thrive in the foggy climate and offer a surreal, cathedral-like atmosphere. 34. Sequoia National Park. This U.S. national park preserves massive sequoia trees, including the General Sherman tree, the largest by volume on Earth. The park also features mountainous terrain and deep canyons. 35. Kaziranga Forest. Located in Assam, India, the forests of Kaziranga National Park are known for the dense vegetation and wetlands. The area is a haven for the Indian one-horned rhinoceros and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 36. Banff Forest. Part of Canada's Banff National Park, this forest is set amid the Canadian Rockies and features stunning alpine scenery. It supports diverse wildlife including bears, elk, and mountain goats. 37. Yosemite Forests. Yosemite's forests in California include dense groves of ancient sequoias, pine, and oak. These woodlands frame the park's famous granite cliffs, waterfalls, and wildlife-rich valleys. 38. Torres del Paine Forests. Located in Chilean Patagonia, these forests are part of the dramatic landscape of Torres del Paine National Park. They're interspersed with glaciers, mountains, and turquoise lakes. 39. Serengeti Woodlands. The Serengeti in Tanzania includes vast woodlands and savannas supporting a massive range of wildlife. These areas are crucial for the annual migration of wildebeest and zebras. 40. Kruger Bushveld. South Africa's Kruger National Park features the Bushveld, open woodlands and grasslands. It's home to the Big Five and one of Africa's most iconic safari destinations. 41. Fiordland Forests. Found in New Zealand's Fiordland National Park, these forests are lush, moss-draped rainforests. They blanket steep fjords and cliffs, making the landscape incredibly dramatic and wild. 42. Manu Forest. Located in Peru, Manu National Park is a biodiversity treasure, ranging from Andean highlands to Amazonian rainforest. It shelters hundreds of bird, mammal, and plant species, many of them endemic. 43. Madagascar Rainforests. These ancient forests harbor an extraordinary number of endemic species, including lemurs and baobabs. Due to Madagascar's long isolation, its rainforests are among the most unique ecosystems on Earth. 44. Madeira Laurel Forest. This subtropical forest in Madeira, Portugal, is a UNESCO site preserving ancient laurel trees. It is a rare remnant of the forests that once covered much of southern Europe. 45. Peruvian Andes Cloud Forests. These cloud forests cling to the slopes of the Andes and are constantly shrouded in mist. Rich in orchids, hummingbirds, and ferns, they form a vital transition between highlands and lowland Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobanadri Rao.